What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Real quick, I just wanted to hop on here to show you guys what to do if you experience this concern right here. You might experience a condition where you start up the car and then you look at the radio, it doesn't want to boot up. Now in this car right here, this is a 23 Toyota RAV4 with the 21 multimedia display unit. Now this generation body style and radio unit gives this problem, and then the previous one does something similar. As you can see, when I put it in reverse, the reverse display works, the guidelines are there, but as soon as I go back into park, the radio options, the settings, nothing is visible. To resolve this issue, here are two things you want to try. Let's start with the first one. First, locate your battery. After shutting off your car, you want to disconnect the negative terminal. Now you want to disconnect the negative terminal for about 10 minutes or 15 minutes. If you have access to a 10mm wrench, great, or a 10mm socket, even better. You want to leave that disconnected for about 10 to 15 minutes and then reconnect. After 10 to 15 minutes have passed, go ahead and reconnect your negative terminal back on the battery and secure it back down with your 10mm wrench or socket, whichever one you have. After reconnecting the negative terminal, let's get back in the car and give it a start up and let's see what happens. As you can see, the radio is doing something similar and it wants to boot up, but after the Toyota emblem comes on, shortly after that, the radio screen goes blank. Now, disconnecting the battery in this case did not work. So why did I show it in this video? Because sometimes disconnecting the battery works, and then sometimes suggestion number 2 will resolve your issue. If disconnecting the battery did not work, here is the second thing you can try. Shut the engine off and put the key in the on position. You want the engine to be off, you just want the key in the on position with all the lights on and wait for the radio to boot up. And then after it boots up and it goes back to being blank, put the car in reverse. But remember, it's crucial that you have the car off, because you don't want to have this car in reverse with the engine running, because the car is going to roll backward and it's going to run into something. And you don't want to put all your trust in the emergency brake. So of course, even though the car is off, I have the emergency brake on and I have the car in reverse, and I want to leave it in this position for about 5 to 10 minutes, give or take. So engine off, key on, car in reverse, 5 to 10 minutes, and leave it in this position, and that will reboot the radio. After 5 to 10 minutes later, as you can see, I'm still in reverse, key is still on, engine off. I'm gonna go ahead and move my shifter back into park. And then bam, as you can see, the radio display is back up. No more blank screen. Radio is back and operating. So you want to try these two methods, guys. It's never a automatic, or I'm just gonna try the reverse method and then the radio will boot up. No, so you want to try the disconnecting the battery first, and if that doesn't work, then go ahead and try the reverse method, or vice versa, whichever one you want to try out. So I just thought I'd put both of these methods in the video, just in case if one didn't work, you can try the other. Hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching.